Sarvavyapak Bhagwan Gopinath Ji film screening at various cities across entire country is to be resumed from 20th April onwards, that is tomorrow. Tomorrow from Faridabad. Go for an early booking because the criteria fixed for entries is on first come first basis and whosoever book early can get a comfortable seat. Beware. Also fill in the Google form for film survey which gives an idea for which city Ashok is in demand. Help us know the demand and help us know this in advance. The forms are being circulated on social media and one can inquire from Bhagwan Gopinath Ji Trust across the country from their phone numbers for any information regarding the film screening. Film is in 70mm format, so enjoy this in a cinema hall instead of a TV screen or LED screen or a small options where its sound and visuals both are different. The 70mm impact can be enjoyed in cinema halls only. The film crew is shown preparing for the film shooting in Kashmir, Pune and elsewhere it was filmed. Sanjay Kaul is in the role of Swami Vivekananda, who had visited Kashmir during the birth of Bhagwan Gopinath Ji and said to have visited the same street, Banukocha, the same day Bhagwan was born in 1898. Pandit Krishan Languji, who is the music director of the film, is preparing the actor for the role in Kashmir. The entire crew was excited to be part of this divine project, a long-awaited film, which has hit the theatres from Jammu, where it was released first on 8th and 9th March 2025. Makeup and dresses were given to us for filming a song at Pune Ashram, where the first floor was turned into a huge studio with green chroma facilities. We enjoyed the entire shooting sessions. Kusum Lata, Kiran Kaul, Mr. Kak and lots of other participants enjoyed the film shooting at Pune. Vibha Bajaj, Sadhana Tikku gave their magical performances in the role of Harmal and Devmal, Bhagwan Ji's mother and sister respectively. After 90s, we, myself, Kiran Ji and Kusum Ji met for the first time in Pune after exodus from Kashmir. It was an emotional moment, thus everyone was excited to watch the outcome and the day has come to experience the same. To add more authenticity and impact to the film dialogues, senior artists like K.K. Raina, Chand Dhar and Anju Mattu Dulu too were invited to lend their voices to strengthen the beautifully filmed characters of Bhagwan Ji, Harmal and commentary in Kashmiri as well. Entire process was designed by legendary Pran Kishore Kaul Ji, who wrote its screenplay, directed it along with Arun Maunur. Cameraman Avinash Satoskar, who is a Ramayana and Mahabharata famed cinematographer, did a brilliant job and enlivened the period film, a biopic on Sri Bhagwan Gopinath Ji. Abhay Rustum Sopori Ji also gave its background music, including other contributions as well from other artists and enthusiasts. Vijay Mattu has done its English commentary. Thank you so much.